Hello everyone, this channel is to learn Korean easy with 한글 남자. Today I'm making a very special video, the way how to read Korean in just 5 minutes. Before we start today's video, I want to say thank you to my one of subscribers who are giving me many advice to improve myself. So we're gonna learn Korean basic letters by native speakers. Then also we can read and speak the name of BTS members. Don't miss it. My handwriting is good in here, Korea. There are 24 letters, 14 consonant, 18 vowels. So let's just start from consonant. G, N, D, L, M, B, S, which is, it doesn't have any sound when it comes first, and sounds like ng when it is at the bottom. J, ch, k, t, p, h. Let's go for vowels. A, ya, o, yo, o, yo, u, you, e. Here are 24 letters in Korean language. So let's write the name, which is one of BTS members' name. Korean will be written right this way. This position, number 1, should be consonant. This position, number 2, should be vowels. And this position, number 3, which is option, another consonant. So let's go back. To read this name written in Korean, we need to make it to be matched with each consonant and vowels here. So this one, Z, J, E, E, M, M, E, E, N, N. So that's it. This is Jimin, one of BTS member. Hangul, which is Korean language. This one a little bit more difficult. H, H, A, N, N, G, G, U, U, L, L. So this will be Hangul, Hangul, which is Korean language. The last one will be this character, which is Korean famous character. I wrote down the name of it, and this is homework for you. Just remember that this one, it doesn't have any sound when it comes first. Thank you! And don't forget, repeat this over and over not to forget. If this video made you learn Korean easy, please subscribe and click the like. Thank you!